Art Faces, I have an unboxing today. I'm not sure which one this is because it could be from Amazon. There was a sale that I ordered on yesterday and it was supposed to arrive today, or it could be something else. I don't know. It's Sunday. Do they deliver mail on Sundays? I guess so because it's here. If you're new here, I'd love it if you join my hive. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button. I upload videos on a weekly basis. Well, more than weekly, but every week there's new videos. So join my hive. Yay! Okay, so let's get into this unboxing. I'm going to cut it here because last time I cut in the middle of the package and I was like, that is not very smart. So let's open it up. If you hear background noises, my boyfriend is currently watching American Dad. Okay, hurry. Open. And I cut the box. Oops. Oh, okay, so let's take a look at the box. DIY 5D diamond painting. Best wishes for you. Thank you so much for the best wishes. Here's some beautiful flowers and a butterfly. Another butterfly. Shiny diamond, diamond ancestry. What does that mean? Number 1 non-ironing 447 DMC standard colors. Here's some instructions on how to diamond paint. And let's open it up and see which canvas we have. Some tape on the end. I'm excited, but what is it? Okay, it is a double-sided adhesive. What did I order? Here are the drills. There's a kit in there too. Looks like a basic kit. I like how the drills are pre-packaged in Ziploc bags. And oh, I know what this is. So this was a diamond painting sent to me from VictoriasMoon. This is a cat. It's a black cat, and I like to pretend black cats are my cat because he's black. I'm going to take the camera up a bit. Now, double-sided glue or double-sided adhesive, you want to make sure you don't roll it backwards. An easy way to make sure it lays flat is by relaxing it a bit. So I'm just going to do the corners, and already you can tell that it's helping. Just the corners. Bear with me. Okay. So this canvas was sent to me from VictoriasMoon. VictoriasMoon, I will put a link to their website below. The one thing that you do have to be careful of with VictoriasMoon is that they sell unlicensed images and some stolen artwork. So when you do order from them, make sure you use tineye.com. You can do a reverse image search and make sure that it's actually a stock photo and not a licensed painting from an artist. We'll take a look at the canvas. I'm just gonna unravel some of it. I had no idea they were double-sided glue. Well, I had an inkling that it was double-sided glue. I'm not sure if it says on the website if it's double-sided glue or not. I'm just trying to... Okay, it's hard because the tripod is in the way, so I'm going to go on this side. So here we have our kitty. It is a full drill. Ooh. So I'm just going to unravel it that much so you guys can take a look. We'll take a closer look at the canvas, the drill field. So already I can see that I'm going to need a light pad because if you take a look at this area here, the symbols are very hard to see. So they're dark symbols on a dark background, which is kind of disappointing. So I will need a light pad, I believe, to complete this diamond painting. Some of the other areas look okay. Like this looks pretty easy and clear. It's just like these dark areas that are difficult to see. I think this one will turn out nicely. Is it a square painting? It is a square diamond painting. I'm going to cover up the canvas again because I don't want to get cat hair all over it. We can take a look at the other side of the canvas. So this is where the flowers are. Okay. Trying not to pull too hard, but I am impatient. So here's the other half of the canvas. You can see the other cat eye right here. And again, these dark areas where my finger is pointing, those look like they're going to be, like this area here, especially in this area, those look like they're going to be a bit difficult to drill because of the dark color behind it, or the dark symbols on a dark color. So there's the canvas. I don't mind double-sided adhesive. It's not like a huge deal to me. But usually when I order from non-AliExpress sites, I always just expect it to be poured glue. So I guess don't assume things. Here is the schematic. Has DMC numbers next to them. And there looks to be 31 colors. And there's the thumbnail yet again. Okay, so that's the canvas. Editing Beverly here. I was just putting this back in the box and then I realized that there is this pen inside of the package. So let's take a look at the pen. So it's stuck in the box, that's why I didn't realize it was there. Kenzu is interested in the pen apparently. So this is a really nice pen. Is it a diamond painting pen? Let's see. What is this? Okay, so I think, I don't know, is this a diamond painting pen? It has crystals inside of it, which is cute, but look at the tip. It looks like a mechanical pencil almost. And then this, is it supposed to unscrew? Let's unscrew it and see what happens. Okay, so I don't think this is a diamond painting pen. Maybe you could put wax on here, but there's no hole for the wax. And this one, you could probably put wax on it. So that's kind of a neat pen, but I don't think it's made for diamond painting. Okay, editing Beverly out, back to the video. And now let's take a look at the drills. So take a look at the drills. Oh, actually, first, there was a inventory sheet. So here's the inventory sheet. The inventory sheet actually looks more clear than the symbols on the canvas, which is surprising. So it does come with an inventory sheet, but it doesn't actually tell you, so it's more of just a schematic. It doesn't actually tell you like the inventory of drills or like how many bags you can expect. Here are the drills. They don't look like they're in any particular order. And I thought the bag would open like this, but I guess it opens at the end here. So here is our toolkit. We can take a look because I've never ordered a VictoriaMoon canvas before. So you get a pen, diamond painting pen with a squishy and a, does it say on it? A 10 placer. Sharp tweezers. Oh, what's this? Looks like you get a label. I think this is a label. It looks like a sticker. A plate of wax and a tray. So that's the toolkit. And again, this canvas was sent to me in exchange for a video, so I did not purchase this canvas. But I will leave a link to VictoriasMoon if you do want to check out their canvases. So here are the drills. They're not in any order. just go to dump them out. Okay. Let's take a look-see. The drills look like this color. They look to be a consistent size. We won't really know until we start working on this though. I don't see any trash, but again, we won't know how good of quality the drills are until we start doing the actual diamond painting itself. I'm not going to look at all of them, I'm just going to look at some of the drills. To me, they look fine, but I will have to drill a small area to make sure that the quality is there. Um, 939s, so big bag of 939s, big bag of 310, and then some blues, purples, cream, no ABs or anything like that. So again, toolkit, inventory sheet, but not really, just a schematic that's printed out separately, and the double-sided adhesive. This is my order from VictoriasMoon. Thank you so much for sending it to me. I really appreciate it. Again, if I didn't mention it, this canvas measures 45 by 60, double-sided adhesive. The drills are bagged in Ziploc bags. It comes with a separate schematic that's printed out. You can run through your sticker maker if you do have a sticker maker. And this one was 31 colors. So, what are your guys' thoughts on VictoriasMoon from this video? Have you ordered from them before? What are your thoughts on the company? Again, just make sure if you are going to order from them that you don't order stolen art. And if you do see stolen art on their website, make sure you report it to them and tell them. So I'm not really sure. I don't know how to feel about this company. I don't know how I feel about this canvas. I thought that it would be port glue, but it is double-sided adhesive. I will have to drill some of it to see the quality of the drills, but from first glance of the drills, they look like they're good. Like there's not a lot of trash or anything like that. And here's my cat, Zuzu. We just ordered a diamond painting of a black cat. Is that you? Is that you? Okay, so thank you so much for joining me and Kenzu. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I upload videos on a weekly basis and it's all about diamond painting. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye!